Add a product video to Amazon Seller Central listings. If you're an FBA seller who wants to add a product video to your listing, this is great news. The ability to add videos showing products in use would be a definite advantage. Online shoppers eat up videos, and listings that have them are sure to have a better chance of converting. You can upload videos to display on the main image block of your live products. The uploaded video may also appear in the Videos section on the product detail page and in search results. To add a video associated with your products, go to the Upload and Manage Videos page. Review Amazon's Community Guidelines and Restricted Products Policy. Click Upload Video at the top right. Enter the required fields. Video file. We recommend uploading files in the highest available quality, up to 1080p but not exceeding 5 GB. Currently acceptable file formats are MOV and MP4. Thumbnail image. This is the preview image customers will see before they begin playing the video. A thumbnail will be automatically generated for you. If you decide to replace it, use a high-quality image in either JPG or PNG format. Video title. This is the title displayed next to your video. Associated ASINs. Select the products relevant to your video. If your video is approved, we will display it on the product detail pages of the products you selected. We will process and review all uploaded videos to ensure they meet our community guidelines. There are two types of videos we recommend creating on Amazon. You should either be creating a lifestyle or product video. The type of video you want to create requires understanding the customer's needs, wants, and purchasing journey. Identifying the main problems the product solves as well as addressing objections or obstacles can create a great product video that will boost conversion rates.